Hi guys, I showed you this on the little stream or brook and we really struggled because the weed guard that should be across here had, let's say, it come off. Basically it was very weak, and each time I've used this boat it's broken a little bit, so it finally disappeared. Anyway, that meant that we were getting all sorts of gravel and weed sucked up inside, and I'm going to see if I can fix it by putting something over it. I have this idea we might be able to use this mesh off of a plastic strainer. This cost me £1. I was looking at the metal ones, but I thought I'd give it a try with the plastic one first, because I was wondering if we might be able to heat weld it in place. Cut it out, lay it over there and try and run a soldering iron around it or something, see if we can actually bond it to the plastic. Because this, well, it leaks like a sieve anyway. This filler that I've got round here doesn't stick to the plastic anyway, so we're getting a leak round here. I don't seal the top down anyway, so the water comes up underneath. So I'm not too worried about waterproofing it, because it fills with water anyway and it keeps going. I've waterproofed all the electronics. So it's just a matter of, can we physically get something to stick on there to stop the gravel and the weeds getting inside. So I should cut this out. It's not going to be terribly strong whatever we do, but it might be enough just to stop the gravel. If I can't heat weld it, then I'll probably get one of the metal ones instead and just screw straight through the bottom of the hull to hold it in place. So we've got plenty of that. So we'll go and set up the soldering iron and see if we can just melt it around the edges. Might be an idea to maybe put some kitchen foil over the top of it to stop the soldering iron going directly onto it. We'll find out. I've never tried anything like this before, so no idea whether it's going to work. And I'm looking at it and the actual jet unit is screwed in place. I should be able to quite easily undo those screws and actually clamp a piece in place with some strips up either side, or even cut out a metal former, metal or plastic. But we'll try the heat welding first, because that's what I want to try and do. I don't know if it matters which way we have the what do we call it? The grain, the thread. Right, so soldering on, I guess. I'm very definitely making this up as I go along. This is my little USB soldering iron that I abuse a lot. It's got no tip anymore. Well, it's melting, but it's not welding together. It did that time. Put the fan on. Probably can't see what I'm doing, but as I'm rubbing my finger over the foil, you can see the shape of the plastic underneath, so I know where to put the soldering iron. Well, certainly at first glance that looks okay. One way to find out, isn't there? Put it back in the stream. It looks okay at the moment. Just a little bit I missed there. Yep, well, that'll do for now. I'll have to go and try it. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.